work done on the truck. And it's pretty freaking windy and wet today. Hopefully we can get this done in a matter of a few hours. We're going to be priming all of these spots that we did with the self-etch priming, and also doing some weld work. Since we still don't have the bed, which is like the key thing holding us back right now, we figured we'd just get the rest of the prime work that we can done. So yeah, let's get to the body shop. Let's get in here. All right, we have made it. Time to get to work. Little fucking, there it goes. Yeah. Boot scooting buggy. Look at that. He's still gonna do that door. And I don't know what else he's doing. He's just kind of bugging around. He's doing whatever he's doing. We have a short day to do this. Hell yeah. Coming along, man. Right on. Alright guys, so now I just got a call from the body guy again, and I'm headed back to the body shop right now to go check on what all he got done today. He said I can't take it home tonight because the primer is still too wet, so I figured I'd just peep in and see how it looks. And he said tomorrow we'll get the front bumper back on and then I can drive it home. But for now, obviously it's got to stay, which is fine with me because it's kind of wet outside too. I really didn't want to take it home if it was going to be wet like this. So because like I drove it there in the rain, and the thing just lights up the tires when it's wet so easily, and it was being a real pain in the ass. I don't have the belts tight enough either, so they kept slipping and slipping and slipping, and yeah. So anyway, let's get back up there and see where the truck stands right now. And we're back. Shut off, he's already gone. Let's see how it looks. Alright, so obviously we're not touching this, you know, until we get the new bed. And there was a reason he didn't start on this yet. I can't remember why. But looks like he's got that all done. Got to put the marker lights back in. Sweet. Cool. That's awesome. Good deal. Good deal. We're getting closer, guys. Closer and closer. Well, that's it for now. I mean, the only thing we're going to do is be putting the front bumper on, so we'll be coming at you guys again probably next week. What's this over? Oh, that's just dust. I'll have to clean that. Anyway, yeah, I'll probably get you guys another update video next week on the Scottsdale. Coming together, though.